Hello everyone, welcome today on Friday, February the 4th, 2022, we have here in this additional 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, we have a 2-star Sudoku, a 3-star Sudoku, then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. And the final puzzle is a binary puzzle. And those puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 6 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. It's too much for me, time consuming. So I will do the 3-star Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Alright, so let's get started. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I will do this 3 stars. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, the 3-star Sudoku, has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. And this puzzle will be number 4079, I believe. Yes, 79. 4079. Alright. And for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. I still have troubles with my voice, so I cannot talk a lot. We have here 2 ones, 3 twos, 3 threes, 3 fours, 2 fives, 2 sixes, 2 sevens, 4 eights, and 4 nines. Okay. Let me see. Let me see. 8. Yeah, let me start with 8. We have 8 in this row, last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see then 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see then 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see then 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 8 now. How about the 9 in the last column? 9 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Yeah. We have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 5. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this box. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing and 7 is missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. Okay. 3 in this row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in the middle row, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4, therefore should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4, therefore should be here. Alright. Then, four missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. Then 7, 5, 2. 1, 1. We have a pair. 2 and 8 in this column. 2 and 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places left for the 2 and 8 goes in these 3 boxes. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. But we have also a 2 and 8 in this row. So no 2 and 8 in that box. So 2 boxes left for the 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Okay. Alright. I'm scanning. 2, 6, 5, 2, 6, 5, 2, 6, 5. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in that box. Here also a 5 in this row, so no 5 in this box. 1 box left for the 5. It should be there, so 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box cannot be a 6 anymore. This box should be a 7. And 1 box left in this big square for number 6. Alright. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 5 in this column. So no 2 and a 5 in this box. The 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. Alright. Okay, 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 and a 7 is missing, 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, okay. Then, how about, let me see. 1, 1. 2, 4, 3. Okay, we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be here. Here we have a pair 2 and 8. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7 and a 9. Okay. Now we have 2 missing numbers in the middle column for the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Okay, 4, 4. So now 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6, the 7 is missing. 8 and the 9 is missing. So 5, 7, 9. 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9. We have a 5 and a 9 in this row, so no 5 and a 9 in this box. The 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this column for number 7. Okay, 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Only place left for the 7 should be there. Okay. 3 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9, and look, we have a 1 and a 6 in this row, so no 1 and a 6 in this box. The 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So now we have 1 digit left in the second column for the number 9. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 4. Okay, so we have a 4 in this last column, 4 in that column, so the column between only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then. How about this box in this row? For the number 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 2. Alright. Then. 2 missing numbers in this column. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be an 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this first row for number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so the column between, only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers A 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4 and a 5 is missing, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 9. Now the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 there, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, well, yeah, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm analyzing for 2 weeks these numbers, the center box of the big squares. Maybe I can see a pattern, maybe you can see a pattern, I do not know. But let me analyze it. I'm collecting the data. 642, 642, 198, 198, and 857, 857. So we have here I believe 1 pair. Yeah, the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we have 1 pair. Until now, all my data, I've collecting those data. There are more, the most pairs. No. How can I explain? There are puzzles with more than two, with 2 pairs than with 1 pair. Yeah, 1 pair, I think half of them have 1 pair, and twice as twice twice have 2 pairs. Yes, twice of the Sudokus, yes, has 2 pairs. So, and only 1 with a triple pair. Yeah, 3 pairs. Yeah, there's 1 puzzle with 3 pairs, and there's 1 puzzle with 2 pairs, but one of the pairs is a triple pair. Yeah, triple pair. Yes. All right. Thank you for watching, and I will continue in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, binary puzzle and the tectonic one. See you then. Bye bye for now.